AI is learning all of the time. How long before do you think before it starts to do those most senior positions and make those senior decisions?
It is already doing that, to be honest.
The cat's out the bag.
So yes, it is. It is. So we were talking about AI secretary. No, now we are talking about AI COO. So AI is learning. It has, in fact, invented its own language. So it's very interesting. There was, I think, related to Meta AI, where they observed AI agents are talking to each other in their own language. It's still English, but they have shortcuts, abbreviations. So it is intelligence. So it's not something that we just tell them and it would just follow the instructions. So it can think, it can come up with ideas, it can trial things. Yes, it's not 100% perfect, and we need human intervention at some point. But it is already there